Hello angels, welcome back to another resin video. So in this video we're going to be making another, what do you call these things? A bulb, light bulb holder, light bulb stand, I don't know. But the mold I got from Etsy's, I will leave the link down in the description box down below. These flowers, I did not dry them myself. I bought these from Etsy's. I'll also leave the seller for these ones down in the description box down below. And the light bulb that I'm going to be using, I got from Amazon. I'll leave it down below in the description box as well. And you're going to need some resin. And that's basically it. That's all you're going to need. So I'm just putting down in the mold all the flowers I'm going to be using. This mold is 2 parts. So one part I have my flowers. The other part is just this scrap pieces of flowers that is just left over. I should have probably done it in a different color, but I just wanted it to be nice and simple. And I wanted the flowers to shine, so that's why I just did it the way how I did. And I just started to crumple some of the flowers. And yeah. Bum, 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 bum. So I mixed up my resin off camera. Part A in some hot water, part B in some hot water as well. Let it sit, let the bubbles rise. And then I mix it all up together to avoid less bubbles. So now I can pour it down into the mold. And a little piece of a holographic glitter got into the mold, got into the resin I was mixing. So I just let it be. So yeah. Woo, Jesus, bless me. So after I poured it down, I wait until I start seeing the bubbles rise. Some bubbles pop by itself. Some bubbles, I just use my lighter to get rid of the bubbles. And I'm just going to leave this overnight for a full 24 hours for it to be fully cured. And 24 hours pass. I'm going to show you guys popping the bubbles, but that was pretty relaxing. So I'm just going to be popping this out of the mold. It was pretty easy. If you're having difficulty, just add some soap water into the mold and then it's just going to work its way down. But I just did it this way. Fold over one side and then just roll it all the way down. Flip it over and then just pull it off. And look at how cute it looks. Now we're just popping out the inside of it. There's some resin that got on top, so I just pop those off and then just push down the middle and then pull it out. Voila. And the mold is good to go, so I can use it over and over again until it can't be used anymore. And look at how cute it looks. I like it. I know you can't see it now, but there is some bubbles in there, but it's not that obvious. So that's a win-win. This is some little tiny air bubbles. Now I can pop open the second piece of the mold. This is going to be the piece that just everything just sit on. This is how it looks. This is not fully cured. It still needs to dry. And then this just fits under perfectly, just like that. Now, with my light bulb that I got from Amazon, it says Dream. So cute. And this, we call it cord, extension cord, whatever. So I'm just setting everything up so I can plug it in so I can show you guys how it looks. And voila, that's how it looks. Pretty already. Then I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. And this is how it looks. Gorgeous. I love it. A little piece of holographic that is in there just brings everything together perfectly. So it looks pretty good. And this is how it looks. The only thing that I don't like about this is that you can't see the word dream in the light bulb. That's the only thing I don't like. But everything else looks pretty good. This is actually my favorite one I've made so far. The first one that I made, honestly, I didn't know what I was doing. It just turned out a mess. But this one actually turned out pretty good. Surprisingly. But the light bulb is dirty. I should have cleaned it off before. But it looks amazing. And I love the flowers. So cute. A little piece of holographic. I know I've already said it before, but the little piece of holographic just brings everything together. I feel like if that was a perfect little mistake that happened, it looks cute. So this is the little tiny air bubbles I was telling you guys about that is in there. You can definitely see some big ones, but if you just look from afar, it's not that obvious. And yeah, that's how this looks. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodaloo. Bye-bye.